Hello, Carol here with the Everspruce Home Inventory channel. Here we discuss the importance of home inventory and home organization. In today's video, I want to share with you a fantastic aspect of the Everspruce Home Inventory app, Add a Box feature. What is a box? Did you know a box doesn't have to be a traditional cardboard box? You can get creative and consider other storage units as boxes using the nesting doll concept. Let's dive in and explore the various ways you can organize your items in various boxes in the Everspruce app. Before we begin, let's understand that the boxes in the Everspruce app aren't limited to physical boxes alone. Everspruce uses the nesting doll concept, so you can think of boxes of any storage unit where you store your items. This flexibility allows you to create a comprehensive inventory of your belongings. Now let's go explore some examples. One creative way to define a box is by using drawers. Just imagine a drawer as a box in the Everspruce app. You can assign a unique name to each drawer, such as drawer 1 or top drawer in bedroom, and then you add the items stored in that drawer as your entries. This way you can keep track of all your contents easily. Here's my example how I'm using a drawer as a box. If you have a bookshelf or any other kind of shelf in your home, you can sign it as a box entry in the Everspruce app. Name it appropriately, such as bookshelf in a living room. Then you can add sub-boxes or items nested within that box to reflect the way you organize your items. Here you can see how I've done this in my living room. Think beyond traditional boxes. You can apply this concept to various storage units in your home. It could be a cabinet, a closet, even a specific section in a room. The key is to create a logical structure that reflects your organization style and that will be easy for you to locate items in the Everspruce app. The beauty of using creative boxes within the Everspruce app is that it offers flexibility and adaptability. You can easily modify your inventory structure as needed, accommodating for changes in storage units or organization preferences. Plus, it allows a more accurate representation of your belongings, enhancing the usability of the app. And there you have it. In the Everspruce Home Inventory app, a box doesn't need to be a traditional box. You can get creative and use drawers, shelves, and other storage units as boxes by using the nesting doll concept. This flexibility allows you to create a comprehensive and personalized home inventory. To learn more about how to add a box in the Everspruce Home Inventory app, you can watch this video here. It will give you a step-by-step guide. Or you can go to everspruceapp.com and read our blog post. The link will be in the description box below. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.